Hello students, welcome back to online classes. I am Professor Sushila Tipshetty, and as you guys know, I'll be handling business statistics for you guys. So this is business statistics 2 for the 4th semester students. So in today's class, we will begin with the introduction of the subject and we will see the syllabus. So the objective is that to train the students of commerce to become familiar with the elementary tools of statistics which are used in the analysis of collected data, and the marks distribution is same, that is 80 marks will be your semester end examination and 20 marks will be your internals, and it is total of 100 marks, and this is a practical subject, so you can try to score 100 out of 100. So you have 5 units. The first unit is binomial and Poisson distribution. So this is the continuation of your third semester subject, that is probability. So this unit is continuation of your probability unit in your third semester. So please don't forget the concepts that you have learned in the third semester after your exams. Remember the basics. It will help in your upcoming semester. So in this unit we will be learning what is the probability mass function of binomial distribution and probability mass functions of Poisson distributions, and we have studied what I mean by probability mass function in your probability chapter in random variable concepts. And then we will study properties of binomial distribution and properties of Poisson distribution. We will study mean and variance of both the distributions, and this will be without derivation, and then we will be solving problems based on the theory. So this is the first unit. In second unit we will be learning normal distribution. This is the most important type of distribution, and even this is a continuation of probability. So here you will be learning definition of normal variate, properties of normal curve, standard normal variate, standardization of normal variate, problems using normal curve, relation between binomial Poisson and normal distributions. So this is an important concept in future, like if you want to go for MCOM or if you want to do some projects. So in such cases you will need the basics of normal distributions. So this is an important unit. The third unit is control charts. Here you will be learning concept of SQC, that is statistical quality control. Then you will be learning control charts and their uses, control limits for mean and range, P and C charts, and problems and interpretation. So this is an easy unit and also a new concept. The fourth unit is correlation and regression. Even this is an interesting topic. In correlation, you will be studying meaning and definition, types, methods of measurement. In methods of measurement, we have 3 types. One is scatter diagram, one is Karl-Pearson correlation coefficient, and Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, properties of correlation and examples. And in regression, you will be studying meaning and definition of regression, regression equations, properties of regression lines and regression coefficients, and problems based on theory. So this is an important unit. And the last unit is transportation problem. In this you will be learning meaning and definition, statement of transportation problem, some basic concepts involved in this unit such as feasible, basic feasible solution, degenerate solution, non-degenerate solution, and optimal solution of transportation problem. These are the basic concepts. So you'll be learning the meaning and definition of this. You'll be learning what is balanced and unbalanced transportation problem. We will see how to find initial, basic, feasible or optimal solution by using 3 methods. One is northwest corner rule, method of matrix minima, or else it is also known as lowest cost entry method, and Vogel's approximation method. So by using these 3 methods we can find the initial, basic, feasible solution. You will learn what is feasible solution and all. And the last concept we will be studying in this unit is calculation of total transportation cost. So the books for reference will be same, that is Business Statistics by Professor R.H. Dareshwar, or you can refer Business Statistics by Raj Mohan, or any of these given books. So that's it for today's class. Thank you.